Oh, hello there. This is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I'm outside of 1524 Champions Lane in Black Lake subdivision of Nipomo. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is 1867 square feet, and it sits right in the golf course. You want to see more? Let me show you. Just look at the size of this beautiful living area. Soaring ceilings and plenty of natural light. Okay, let's take a walk around. New carpet, beautiful, nice new laminate flooring, fireplace right here in the secondary living area, tall ceilings. Very nice kitchen with plenty of counter space and a breakfast nook. The beautiful golf course outside. Look at all that green space. Birds, just beautiful. Okay, coming out of the kitchen, back into the light and bright, very large living and dining area. Here is a nice half bath. First level master bedroom, looking at the beautiful golf course. And here is the master bath. Walk-in shower, double sinks, storage, and a beautiful walk-in closet. Let's see what's upstairs. Okay, hallway. Added storage here. Nice size bedroom that goes into a shared bathroom with tub, toilet, double sinks, and another bedroom that currently has built-ins for a desk or office. That also looks out to the golf course. This is a bedroom. It does have a closet. Let's go look at that big great room again. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you for watching the video of 1524 Champions Lane in Nipomo. This listing is courtesy of Margaret Morris. If you want to see this home, give me a call and I'd be happy to set up an appointment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Remember, wash your hands, keep social distances, and love the one you're with. This is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team.